This is a brand new 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: speed-sensitive volume controls, commercial-free satellite radio, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.